In this video, I'll show you how to download and install The Binding of Isaac, Rebirth on PC through Steam, completely legally and step by step. The first thing you need to do is open Steam on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it for free from the official Steam website. Once it's installed, sign in with your account, or create a new one if you don't already have one. After logging into Steam, use the search bar at the top of the window and type The Binding of Isaac, Rebirth. Then select the game from the search results to open its official store page. On the games page, you'll be able to view important information such as the price, user reviews, minimum and recommended system requirements, screenshots, and any available DLC or additional content. If you decide to get the game, simply click the appropriate button to add it to your Steam library and complete the purchase by following the on-screen instructions. As you can see, downloading and installing The Binding of Isaac, Rebirth on your PC through Steam is a quick and straightforward process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.